Good morning. I am Daniel Courtemanche, an online student here at UAT. My major is in digital maker and fabrication, and I am here to talk about Project Odin. In the military, being able to see the adversary is key. This is made more difficult by advances in camouflage and simply times darkness. Currently, field devices only operate in 1 to 2 spectrums and are cumbersome, requiring the user to take their focus away from critical tasks just to adjust and switch between environments, adding additional risk to already high-paced occupations. Project Odin is a customizable modular system that will allow for rapid change between optics, keeping the user's focus on task. Odin is bridging the current systems. This will take skills such as 3D design, prototyping, circuitry, programming, and fabrication. I have gained these skills through classes such as CSE 102, DBM 100, and Robotics 173. Classes such as Robotics 205 and Science 150 would be useful, but I've already filled the knowledge with robotics pre-engineering courses that I've taken elsewhere, and also 12 years of experience working on and crewing aircraft. This project will have 4 key focal points: the research into a common digital output from sourced optics, the reverse engineering into ruggedized casings, and wiring up the bridge, and the programming of the utilized microprocessor. Barring any parts delays, I can have a viable prototype within 1 month's time. Project Odin will be applicable to 2 major markets. First, the military, where operators, special missions aviators, and even standard infantry will benefit from the advantage over the adversary. And the second market is the civilian first responders, to include search and rescue. The increased situational awareness will grant ability to save lives. Now for the big question: isn't there similar devices already in the field? There has been a few advances in the field, with the EMVG by Harris adding thermals, the IVAS under development by Microsoft having TeamLink, allowing each member of the squad to share their feed, but both are still bulky and protrude out from the front of the helmet. The Envision by DARPA is working on remedying this, but will not be as ruggedized, and none of these systems are as customizable as Odin. To finally visualize Project Odin, the first prototype will be installed on the HGU-56 hardened aircrew helmet, as I am quite familiar with it. The circuitry will consolidate the digital feeds of the optics into a centralized microprocessor, and based on selection, direct the required feed to the display. Finally, an early rendering of components and the Picatinny mount. For any questions, again, I'm Daniel Courtemanche. This has been Project Odin, and thank you for your time.